Alright, what do we got here? Just came in. Weighs 110 pounds. And it's gonna replace those. It's gonna be some sideboards here, running boards. So let's get it open. These things are close to 500 bucks new, and I bought these on Amazon. It said used like new. Now I bought used like new stuff on Amazon before, and it was actually new and really had never been out of the box. I'm hoping these are the same way. The last time I bought something used like new, what had happened in the carton, the seal had been broken on it. And if you look at these, boy, they are darn near like new. They are darn near. There's a little bit of dirt right there. Just offhand, yeah. Boy, if they'd been on a car, I'd be amazed. The big thing is, do they fit on my car? Alright, so I'm going to measure them up here and see if they work. 24.5 and 26. 24.5 and 26. Yep, they fit. They will fit. It's getting kind of exciting, guys. These were, I said the others were, these were just right at half price, $247. You know, the thing I don't see any marks where they were mounted on the vehicle. So my guess would be they really were never on a car. Somewhere along the line the carton got opened. I don't know, they're in excellent shape though. They just need to be cleaned. The big difference is, of course, these have a step on, so you can step up into the car. And the other thing is they're steel. They're going to be a lot more protective to the car. These are aluminum. I've not hit a rock with them yet, but if I ever hit a rock with them, they just collapse. So these are a lot heavier duty. Well, here they are, all cleaned up, and they look like new. There's not a scratch on them. All it was is some surface dirt. So I tell you, for 200 bucks a pair, I'd clean these all day. Took about 10 minutes maybe at the most. But you know, so far Amazon's been real good. When they say it's like new, it's like new. Just some minor cleaning. And they have been on a car or a vehicle, a 4Runner, evidently that's what they're made for. I don't think the 4Runner had been off-road or anything with them, because there's no scratches. There wasn't even any foot marks on the treads where you get in and out of the car. So I don't know what the deal was, but whatever it was a good bargain for me, and I appreciate it, Amazon. Thank you. Alright, I'm going to get to taking the other ones off. I'll show you what that looks like, and we'll get back at you when we get started. Well, here's what it looks like on the car. There's the front bracket. I don't know if you can see this or not. There's the rear bracket. And then there's one right here in the center. I can't tell whether you can see it or not. They're 13 millimeter. Well, they're not 13 millimeter. The ones that came with them are 13 millimeter. These aren't 13 millimeter. Okay, it looks like they're 12. Alright, so that's what I got to do. I got to take all these bolts off, pull these out, and put the new ones on. So I'm going to get to work. Well, there's the first old one off. And this thing is so light, it's unreal. So it's just a matter now of getting it under there and getting her on. Here's the first one on. And with the old ones I had 13 inches of clearance. With this one I have 12. So it only changed the clearance by 1 inch. But the vehicle only has 9.6 inches of clearance anyway. So I'm still above the low point. And that's what it looks like on. It was really easy. What time is it, Kat?
It is 6:45.
It took me just about 20 minutes to take the old one off and put the new one on. That's all it took. Solid, solid, solid. Alright, got to do the other side. Well, here's the other side. It's 5 minutes after 7. It went faster, I think, than the other side. It's 5 minutes after 7, so that was 20, just a little over 30 minutes to put them both on. And you don't need to jack the car up. I had room, barely room, but I did have room to get underneath it. So I think it'll work real well. It feels a whole lot better than trying to stick your leg up here. Alright guys, that's all there is to it. Hey, thanks for watching. Thumbs up, keep that algorithm going. And in the meantime, you keep those wheels turning. Catch you on the rebound. Bye now.